Hey y'all, welcome back. Thank you so very much for being here. Happy Saturday. I hope you are having a wonderful day and that your weekend is getting off to a great start. If you are new, welcome. My name is Nikki and I do all kinds of fun unboxings. We do a little bit of everything here, from beauty, fashion, lifestyle, home decor, like I said, a little bit of everything. So if you enjoy subscription box unboxings, go ahead and hit that subscribe button and become a part of our YouTube family. And y'all, don't forget to please give the video a thumbs up if you do enjoy it. And as always, go ahead and smash that notification bell so you are notified when I upload a new video. Guys, as you can see from the title, today we are going to be opening the May 2020 Luxury Divas box. This is one of my favorite subscriptions to open. It is always amazing. It is jam-packed literally with anything and everything from head to toe. Jewelry, clothing, makeup, umbrellas, gloves, scarves, flip-flops, sunglasses, everything. It is so amazing. Everything that they curate each month and put into these boxes, I love it so very much. Now, Luxury Divas is $30 a month if you sign up for their subscription. You can also purchase a one-time box for $35. I will put a link down below as well as a promo code that will save you $5 off your first box, and it can be applied towards the subscription or the one-time box. So you can get your first month of the subscription for $25 or the one-time box for $30. Another thing with Luxury Divas is if you see something that you like, but maybe you don't want to purchase the entire box, you actually can go to their website from the link down below and you can actually just make a purchase of items. They have hundreds and hundreds of items on their website as well, in addition to the subscription box. So let's go ahead and dive in here and see what we got for May 2020. I'm so excited. I love my little handy box cutter. Now, one thing about this box that I absolutely love, when you open it, there's always a little handwritten note from your stylist. I think that is an amazing touch. They do also include a sheet going over all of the items for you with pricing, and they tell you the total value of the box so you don't have to do any math. And then all the goods are under here. So let's read our note. And I have Marina again. She is my typical stylist. Usually she has styled me every month. There were 1 or 2 months that I didn't have her. But like I said, typically it is Marina. And she said, "Hello, Nikki. Happy Mother's Day and happy birthday, darling." Thank you so very much, Marina. I have your lovely May box here and you are going to love it. Beauty, comfort, and safety all packed in one box. Enjoy and stay healthy. Happy May. Love, Marina. Oh, that is so sweet. Happy May to you as well. I hope you are staying safe. I hope everyone over at Luxury Divas is doing well, staying healthy, and, you know, dealing with things one day at a time, because that's what we're all doing right now. So this is Marina. She is absolutely gorgeous. So again, thank you so very much, Marina. And I have our sheet here again with pricing and stuff, so we'll reference this when we need to. But let's get in here and see what we got. So we pull it back and we open it. And it looks like we have a good variety of items. So a little sneak peek. All right, so the first thing I'm seeing, oh, these are pretty, is a pair of earrings. These are different. You can see they're like silver with the gold filigree in the middle, but can you see the shape of them? These are definitely unique. Let's see. Two-tone antique filigree cuff earrings. These vintage-inspired filigree earrings feature a unique square-shaped cuff design. Their simplicity takes them quickly from day to night, but are bold enough for that special date. And it says available in multicolor silver and gold, and these are $20. Ooh, I like these. I don't have anything like that. That's so pretty. And also, just so you guys know, because I didn't say this earlier, I apologize. The theme for May 2020 is May Balloons. So I think that's a lovely, lovely theme for May and very appropriate. And let's see, it looks like we have another jewelry item. Oh my goodness, this is gorgeous. This is a bracelet. Let me take this out so you can see it a little bit better. Okay, so I got that out. You guys, look at this. It is absolutely gorgeous. So it's like a bangle. I love though that it is obviously adjustable so you can fit it to your wrist. I love this. Oh my gosh, I love this so much. And I really like that it kind of matches the earrings as far as the silver and then the gold inside. Oh my goodness. Let's see what it says for this. Two-tone Celtic style bangle cuff bracelet. This slim stackable cuff bracelet is capped by gorgeous filigree quarterfoils. Sorry. A classic yet elegant look. Bracelet remains open to ensure a perfect fit every time. It's available in silver and this is $19. I love this. Like, I just love this so much. Like, I love it. Okay. Next thing, now this, I'm sorry, I really appreciate this. This is the first box I have gotten that has done something like this. I've seen some others that have done it, but personally, like I said, this is the first box I've received. They have included 3 face masks, and it says 3-pack personal protection sanitary face mask. We love our subscribers and want to encourage you to stay safe with this 3-pack of personal masks. They may not be glamorous, but for now, they are necessary. Masks are 3-ply and include a high-density top filter layer made from soft, breathable material. Soft ear loops will ensure that they are comfortable to wear. Protect yourself, your family, or someone you love. And it's $13, they're saying, for 3 of these. So again, I do appreciate that. Like I said, I've seen some other boxes that have done this, but I personally, this is the first one I've gotten, and I do appreciate it so very much, especially with my compromised immune system. I'm trying to stay home, but sometimes you just have to go out, and it is nice to have these. So thank you so much, Luxury Divas. I think, again, that kind of also shows how much they do truly care about their subscribers. So thank you. Okay, and then let's see, we've got this guy right here. This is like a duo, so we get 2 items. And we have got Dew Glow Priming Oil, Smoothing and Vitamin Enriched, and So Plumped Vitamin E Lip Glaze. So these 2 guys right here, Italia Deluxe Facial Primer Oil and Lip Plumper Pack. This convenient duo of facial primer oil and lip plumper offers hidden benefits such as added wear for your foundation, finished off with movie star plump lips for kissing. Expect a slight tingle on lips after application, and this is $15 for the 2 of these. I don't really use lip plumpers that often because I kind of already have fuller lips, but I do like to occasionally do it. And I will be honest, I kind of enjoy that little tingle. There's something about it that it's almost like it's just something satisfying about it. I don't know. Maybe I'm just weird, but I do enjoy that little tingle. So, all right, let's move right along. And oh my goodness, this is gorgeous. This is like so beautiful. You see this? It's like a navy blue, and it's almost like burlap kind of, with a little wristlet. Yeah, navy blue and silver feather print wristlet bag. Whether on the beach or just toting around town, this adorable wristlet bag is just the right size to hold all of the essentials. Bag is finished with a weaved canvas bottom and features a convenient detachable wrist strap. It's obviously available in blue, and this is $20. I think this is so pretty. I wouldn't remove this because I would I think this is so pretty. And it's got some stuff inside. Let's see what the actual interior is like. So there's actually a pocket in here. And then it is lined, and I like that it's lined, so if like something were to spill or cap came off of the lipstick or something, you could clean it. And this feels very thick and nice. This is a very nice material. This is very well made. I can tell just from the feel of it, and I think it is so beautiful. All right. And we have one, does that say what I think it says? Y'all, oh my goodness. Ah! Oh my gosh. Okay. Your girl's heart just skipped a beat. Oh, Luxury Diva Farina, I love you. Okay, if you've been with me, if you've been watching my Luxury Diva unboxings, you know that, I don't know, about a year or so ago, we got some leggings in a box. And I was so excited, and I talk about that all the time. Well, guess what? The final item in our box for May 2020 is, it's perfect because it's my birthday month and Mother's Day is tomorrow. So it's like double whammy treat because my birthday was last weekend. We got some leggings. They are capri leggings, which I'm actually really excited about because it is getting warmer here. Oh my gosh. Thank you. Oh, and they feel just as soft. These feel even softer than the ones that we've had before. And these are navy blue, which I actually really like. Normally, I would be like, I want black. But I really like these. These are so soft. And you guys, they're capri, but look. Like, they are so stretchy. These are gonna be so comfy. Oh, I love leggings. Literally to the point that I have, like I said, talked about the leggings that we received before in this box in almost every unboxing I've done since. I even have a decal on my car that says something like Messy Bun, Starbucks, Target leggings, something to that effect, because that is my life. Well, not right now. I can get through the Starbucks drive-thru, but I mean, you know, you guys seen the videos. I've done the messy bun thing in some of my videos, but leggings are life, and yay! Oh my gosh! So this definitely is my favorite item in the box, without question. I do really also like this wristlet. I think it is gorgeous. This bracelet is stunning. I love the earrings, and like I said, they match. They're obviously a different shape, but the style still matches. And then we have the lip plumper and the primer oil. And again, this just shows how much they care about their subscribers. We have the face mask. So the total value for the May 2020 Luxury Divas is $103. So definitely worth it. Like I said, you can purchase a one-time box for $35. Subscribe, it's monthly, it's $30. And like I said, the link will be down below with that promo code. So with that, you will save $5 off your first box. So definitely check them out. At least go ahead over, if you're not necessarily wanting to maybe to commit to a subscription right now, head over and check out their website and all the different products that they sell. I guarantee you will find something that you love because they have such an amazing variety of items, and all of their items, the quality of their items is fantastic. I definitely stand behind Luxury Divas and will back Luxury Divas all day long. I think they are fantastic. I hope you guys enjoyed the video. I will see you on the next one. Enjoy the rest of your weekend. Have a great day. Bye.